Using the tools that we saw earlier, I can figure out points on these lines and then figure out the slope from them. But also, for any equation that starts with y equals, my slope is going to be the coefficient of x. So looking at problem A, this first line has a slope of 1/2, and the second line has a slope of -2. So I can see that 1/2 times -2 equals -1. That means that those two lines must be perpendicular to each other. All right, slope of 3, slope of 1/3. In this case, 3 times 1/3 is +1, therefore they are not perpendicular. So here's my symbol for perpendicular. In problem C, I can change this equation to be in y equals form, 3x plus 4. That means that the slope is 3. In the second equation, it's not as easy to figure out the slope. I can't just shift it around easily, so I'm going to actually come down here and show some work to shift it around. So I've got 2y. I'm going to add that 5x to the other side. 5x plus 7. Now I'm going to divide everything by 2. 5 over 2x plus 7 over 2. So my slope is 5 over 2. So I had 5 over 2 and 3. For sure, 3 times 5 over 2 does not equal -1. So those two lines are not perpendicular. Over here, I can easily move this one to say y is equal to -5x. So my slope for that line must be -5. This one's going to take a bit more work, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to move this one down to here. All right, so D. Let's add my 10y to the other side. 2x equals 10y plus 3. I'm going to subtract 3. 2x minus 3 equals 10y. I'm going to divide everything by 10. 2 divided by 10x minus 3 divided by 10 equals y. So this has a slope that's 2 divided by 10. So let's multiply those in my calculator. -5 times 2 divided by 10. And I get a product of -1. So let's do this. Okay, so we said -5 times 2 divided by 10 equals -1. Therefore, the lines are perpendicular.